Well, folks, it's the middle of January 2025, South Alabama, and it's snowing like this. This is plumb ridiculous. Girl, what do you think? Can you do a snow angel for me?
Of course.
Look at you, girl. Let's see. Let's look at it. Oh, that's a beautiful snow angel.
Thanks.
What do you think, Caroline?
I love it.
Ain't this so cool?
Yeah.
Look at the snow right here. Look how thick the snow is.
Dad, you know I learned karate. Hey guys, you know I learned karate?
Karate?
Yeah.
Where'd you learn karate?
So here I go.
You know what I learned?
What?
I just learned how to throw snow.
Wait, Dad, bury me in snow. Make a big. Wait, Dad, no, bury me in snow. While I'm
It's
laying
snowing.
down.
Caroline, what are you doing?
I'm coming up.
What do you think about all this?
It's a lot of snow.
It's a lot of snow. Think that's cool?
You're gonna bust your tail.
Yeah, I know. Snow is everywhere. Look at there. That's 6.5 inches.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, we are fixing to head to the woods after all of our playing. It is the next day. Look at this junk. We ain't used to all this junk in South Alabama. Very beautiful though, I will say that. This is plumb idiotic is what this is. The roads are nasty. It's supposed to get back down below freezing tonight, and all of these roads are going to be solid ice come in the morning. We are at deer camp, and it's a winter wonderland fair. Look at this one. Alright, so we just got parked at the truck right here. Walking just a little ways up here. So, just overlooking this big open area down here. Somebody's driving by right So the story is, a good buddy of mine has actually had a camera in that spot that I thought nobody's been in. He's had a camera in there, and he just, out of courtesy, is just like, hey, look, man, there ain't even nothing in there. He said, I'm actually heading in there into that spot. He's seen my truck parked. He said he's coming into that spot to pull his camera off right now. So what I did, I was like, you know what? If you ain't been seeing nothing, there ain't no sense in me sitting there all day. You know, most of these spots like that is all fair game, first come, first serve anyway. But if you ain't had nothing on camera and you're pulling your camera because there ain't been nothing, I'll move on to another spot. There ain't no sense in wasting the evening. So I'm moving down. Look how beautiful this is, guys. I'm telling you. We are not in South Alabama right now. All right, we're gonna try this one more time. I'm gonna park here on the road. We'll ease down in here. We have some coyote tracks. Some tracks going up in there. We're going this way. Alright, here we are. Maybe we'll have some good luck. Well, that's going to be it on this hunt. But we're going back to the house because my wife has been cooking that ham from that hog that I killed here a couple weeks ago. And it's been in the crock pot all day. I was going to smoke it, but we just decided I was going to come deer hunting and she was going to put it in the crock pot. So the sign out board, got my tag there, hang it back up, and I am out of here. All right, it can't snow in Alabama with about this much redneck gum, so work it. It's a little bit chilly.
Freezing.
All right, so now we just come in the house. Amber has been working on this ham right here. This is from that hog that I killed the other day. The last video got going right now. This is going to be good. It smells delicious. Can you smell it? Mm. Oh my lord.
Try it. Dad, I want to try it.
That's a roast.
Yeah, it's not like a ham, it's more like a roast.
That is delicious.
Dad, can I try it?
Would you like to try it?
Yeah.
All right, open wide. Big mouth, big bite. Here.
That tastes like roast.
All the way. There you go.
Is it good?
I love it.
Damn, that is delicious. It's about to go down in here, y'all. Got Caroline's in there. Y'all don't judge us. It's middle of January. We still got our Christmas tree up. Say the blessing.
Thank you, Jesus Christ.
Amen. That was very, very fast, but you know what? I think it'll work. So we're about to try this. I say try it like it's something I don't know. It's already delicious. Some mashed potatoes with a little bit of that
Beef
roast
and green beans.
Yeah.
It's actually cold.
No, that's the green beans.
And we're trying it.
We're going to.
One quick bite.
One quick bite. Go.
That is so good, ain't it?
Like it, my mama?
It is good.
Well, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you watching this video. We've had a good time making it. We've played a lot in the snow. and just had a really, really good weekend so far. So, Caroline?
We'll see you in the next video.